Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into your Starling Bank account safely and easily. First of all, launch open your web browser on your computer or your mobile device, and in the URL box type in starlingbank.com and search. You'll end up in the official website for Starling Bank. Go to the top right corner and click the login button to get started with the sign-in process. Once you end up in this next page, here you can click on the login button and this will take you to the sign-in area for your online banking account. Start off by typing down your account number in the first field. Make sure you type in your account number correct. Right underneath, you'll need to go ahead and select your country code and enter your phone number. After typing down your credentials, click on the Login with the Starling app button at the bottom of the screen to sign into your account. You may need to complete the security verification if prompted. After successful verification, you'll be logged into your Starling Bank account dashboard. Just make sure that your internet connection is stable and never share your login details with anyone, just to be safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.